Get Western, celebrate, let's go. Homeschool, paddle 5. This might get wild right here. Getting Western on class 1s, baby. I see the V. That's a fun one right there.
Down fork, we took the rapid like a champ, easy peasy. Long horse down.
Oh yeah, baby. A little bit upriver, I saw something green going up and down the eddy, and at first I thought it was a bobber, then I thought it was some pollution, but it ended up being this beer can. I just put it back in the water to reenact how I found it. And it's not even pollution, it's a free drink from the river. Oh, heck yeah. That's how it happened. Thank you, river. Best beer in the world is not free beer, it's free beer given to you by the river. Good stuff. Just made it to the takeout. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Peace.